This is Ryan Wynn to Win Injury Law. I'm here today with my friend and client, Steven. So, Steven, can you tell us about what happened in your collision and why you first came to Win Law?
I was riding my motorcycle and I got hit by another motorcyclist who lost control of his bike. He took me out on I-64 and I ended up breaking my wrist, pretty much shattering the whole bone inside of my wrist. So that's how I ended up coming to Win Law. So after my accident, it was a pretty big change for my life because I pretty much lost all use of my left hand for probably about 3 or 4 months. We had just had our first child, my daughter. So that was really tough because you couldn't carry her, you couldn't do anything with her. During the process, Win Law was really good with working with me. There were always paralegals who were following up with me, making sure they were getting my records, making sure they were getting everything that we needed to make sure that all the claims were getting in, constantly giving me updates about what was going on, if there was any just kind of movement, what to expect next. The process all felt pretty organized, felt like everybody knew what they were doing. Everybody really kind of was able to foreshadow and kind of keep me ready for what was the next thing that was going to come up. Like, hey, we filed suit and this is going to be next, and just really kind of kept us moving forward. So it was always a really good experience.
And you've not only been a client, you've also referred friends and family, which we're very appreciative of you doing that. Can you tell us why you trust Win Law with your friends, family, even your case?
So as an attorney, I understand that people seem to think that personal injury is really straightforward. Oh, I broke my hand, you'll give me money, and we'll just kind of walk out of here. But it's a much more nuanced and specific area of law. If somebody doesn't know what they're doing, chances are you are going to leave something on the table in terms of your claim. Chances are you're going to make it harder on yourself just by not knowing what you're doing. It seems like it'd be an easy thing. Being an attorney, working in many different fields of law, none of us really have the knowledge for personal injury law other than personal injury attorneys. Yeah, there are a bunch of stuff that I learned during our case that I was like, oh, I didn't know that was a thing. We go back almost 20 years. I went to law school with Ryan, and I remember when you left, you were going to go be a personal injury lawyer. That's what you said you were going to go do. That's what you wanted to do. And we were like, okay, go have a blast. And you've always been really passionate about it, just committed to it. So I've always told people, look, if something ever happened to me, I'd go to Ryan. Why? Because he's a believer, man. He really does this. This is what he does. So when I got in an accident, it wasn't even a question. It was like, well, I know exactly what I'm calling.
Win Law is here for you, Virginia.